Have you ever spotted a stock that looks like it's right on the edge of breaking out? Yesterday was one of those days, and I think I found a setup you'll want to pay attention to. Stick around because I'll walk you through the exact filters I used, why this stock is on my radar, and how both day traders and swing traders could play it. And at the end, I'd love to hear how you would trade this setup, so be ready to drop your thoughts in the comments. On days like yesterday, when several indices closed near their daily highs, I like to scan for strong momentum stocks in the evening. And yesterday evening, this setup popped up. In this video, I'll show you which filters I used to find this stock and why I think it's such an interesting setup for both day and swing traders. The stock is Transalta Corporation, TAC, part of the independent power producers and energy traders sub-industry in the utility sector. If you open the new ChartMill overview page for this group, a recent feature in ChartMill, you'll see it only contains 7 stocks. And here's the kicker. 6 of those 7 stocks closed green yesterday, a clear sign of group strength. With an average price gain of over 70% in the last 6 months, this sector has been a serious outperformer. Every screen I run starts with a few basic filters to make sure I'm only looking at stocks with enough liquidity and momentum. Exchange, US only. Price, above $5. Average trading volume, at least 500,000 shares per day. Market cap, at least small. Type, common stock only. Then in the Performance tab, percent change, greater than or equal to 0%, so only gainers. Percent change from open, greater than or equal to 0%. And in the Technical Indicators tab, ATR, above 2, we only want movers. Volume increase, at least plus 100% compared to the previous volume. This first scan gave me 31 results. Out of curiosity, I pushed the volume filter up to plus 300%, and that cut it down to just 7 results. To refine even further, I added a trend filter. Both short-term and long-term trend had to be positive. That left me with only 4 stocks. Here's where it gets interesting. When you look at the charts of those 4, you'll notice 3 of them already broke out. TAC hasn't yet. Right now, TAC is trading just below a key resistance level and is being supported by a rising SMA 10. That's why this setup is so appealing. It's right before the breakout, not after. Swing traders could place a buy stop just above yesterday's high, $13.91. So anything slightly above $14 works. For stops, you've got 2 main options. An aggressive stop just under yesterday's candle in the SMA 10, approximately $13.65, or a more conservative stop just under the last swing high, approximately $13.39. Day traders can zero in on the 5-minute chart, where a double bottom has formed. I'd wait to see how the stock opens and only get interested if the high is taken out. Then you can set a tight intraday stop depending on the price action. But the golden rule here, wait for confirmation. Don't jump in just because it looks like a breakout is coming. If the stock fails to clear yesterday's high, you don't want to be stuck holding the bag. I'll definitely keep this stock on my watch list and update you later. But I'm curious, how would you trade this setup? Would you take the aggressive swing entry, wait for intraday confirmation, or maybe skip it altogether? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read them all, and I'd love to see your approach. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.